Hello everyone, my name is Bindushri. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the scientific paper recommender system using deep learning and link prediction in citation network. This is related to computer networks. First, in this video we will discuss about the abstract. Today the number of published scientific articles is increasing day by day, and this had made the process of searching for articles more difficult. The need to provide specific recommender system RSS for suggesting scientific article is strongly felt in this situation because searching for articles based only on matching the titles or the content of other articles is not an efficient process. In this research, the combination of two content analysis and citation network is used to design an RS for scientific articles. In this RECSA, natural language processing and deep learning techniques are used to process the titles and extract the content attributes of the articles. For this purpose, first the title of articles are pre-processed, and by using the term frequency inverse document frequency criteria, the importance of each word in the title is estimated. Then the dimension of the obtained attributes are reduced by using a convolutional calculated based on the attribute vectors. Also, the link prediction approach is used by analyze and connections of scientific articles citation network. Finally, in the third step of RECSA, the two similarity matrices calculation in the previous steps are combined using an influence coefficient parameter to obtain the final similarity matrix, and the different aspects and the results have been compared with previous works. According to the results, utilizing the previous compared to previous works, also by integrating citation and the content based data, the precision of first suggestion in RECSA would be 99.0%, which indicates the minimum improvement of 0.9 compared to the other methods. The results show that by using RECSA, the recommendation can be done with higher accuracy and efficiency. Then the next topic is introduction. RSS make using information systems easier for users and can prevent the waste of huge amount of processing power of the systems, as well as spending time searching for desired content of the users. Today, RSS are widely used in social networks and content provider networks. These types of system provide suitable recommendations or friendship relationships for users based on their interests and characteristics in the network. Nevertheless, not many studies have been done in the field of RSS for scientific articles, and the research works that have been done so far have designs that make their applications difficult. On the other hand, the difference in the structure of RSS for scientific articles with other type of RSS had made it impossible to use these systems for the intended purpose, because researchers usually need to filter the search results of scientific articles to find items that are related to their research field. The filtering operation is very complicated and time consuming because every day the number of published scientific articles increases. Some researchers have tried to improve RSS for scientific articles by analyzing the citation made to an article or analyzing its content. Most of the content analysis methods are performed using the process of matching keywords and therefore cannot consider the semantic context of the articles. On the other hand, techniques based on article citation analysis use the number of citations made to an article as well as the context of citing articles to provide recommendations. Although citation based methods can consider the semantic context of articles to provide recommendations, if the number of citations for an article is low or there is no reference to a new article, they will not be effective. Then the next is literature review. In a context-based method was presented to recommend practical articles in datasets. This paper used the information retrieval for the recommending article where abstract and title of papers are used for generating semantic features. In this method, several distribution methods such as document to VC, word to VC, latent allocation, latent semantic analysis, BM25 and are used. The cosine similarity measure between the feature vectors extracted for the articles was used to recommend similar articles. Several re-ranking and the normalization mechanism were proposed in this method to improve the recommendations. In an introduced which does not depend on the profiles created for previous users and only use public contextual information in the citation network. In this method, by using the citation context, two-level article citation relationships are used to find latent connections between the articles. The citation network based method for recommending scientific articles was introduced. The advantage of this method is to produce a citation network with more than one site level, while in the other previous methods, including the method presented in the scientific articles, are recommended using a citation network with the two levels is maximum. On the other hand, recommendation operation by processing the keywords in the scientific article. In this method, the keywords requested by the user are searched in the articles and the closest content is recommended to the user. Some methods recommended scientific articles using machine learning techniques. For example, the method presentation makes recommendations using a DNN. Also, in the reference, the combination of citation networks and hierarchical clustering is used to recommend scientific articles. RS for the scientific articles named RefSir was introduced, which performs the recommendation process using a weighted citation network. It was also emphasized in that in a citation network, not all connections have the same importance. For this reason, in this article, a criteria for evaluation the importance of citation in scientific articles are presented, which can increase the efficiency of RSS for scientific articles. In large database in every consuming, in addition due to the wide range of topics and the variety of topics, it is challenging to train a CNN model to recognize target sentence in real applications. A new neural citation network model based citation system using bidirectional encoder learning contextual and the citation features can be combined in this model require the review of the entire content of the articles, which is the time consuming and complex is real applications recurrent neural network model or recommending scholar articles was method for the documentation. Finally, a RNN is used for ranking document. This research does not consider citation in information, and also RNN model needs high memory for medium to large datasets. Then the next is methodology. In methodology, the system overview and link prediction are required. First, we will discuss about the system overview. The first point is data collection. Gather scientific papers, their metadata like title, authors, abstract, keywords, and citation networks. Then the second point is pre-processing. Clean and normalize data, removing stop words, stemming, and tokenization. Citation network construction. Build a graph representing a papers as nodes and citation as edges. Then the deep learning components. The first point is paper embeddings. Use techniques like the document to VC, word to VC, or BERT to generate paper embeddings. Train in a neural network to learn paper representation. Then the second point is author embedding. Use techniques like author to VC and others for the attention networks to generate citation network embeddings. And the link prediction is citation prediction, a train classifier and the paper similarity is calculated similarity between paper embedding, and they will use metrics like cosine similarity, jacket similarity, RBM 25. Then the next topic is results. The paper scientific paper recommender system using deep learning and link prediction in citation network presents a hybrid approach to a scientific article recommendation by integrating content analysis with citation networks. The system called RECSA uses a combination of natural language processing and deep learning technique is to extract important content features from articles titles, applying the term frequency inverse document frequency method. These features are then to calculate content similarity between articles. To further enhance recommendation, the system leverages a link prediction approach to assess connection within the citation network, combining content and citation based similarity matrix to provide recommendations. This combined approach improves the precision of recommendation, achieving up to 99.01% accuracy in some cases. The system shows superior performance compared to earlier models by offering more efficient and accurate recommendations. Then the last point of this video is conclusion. In this article, an RS for scientific articles based on the combination of content and citation features of the article was presented. To test the proposed method, a collection of practical articles collected from a DBLP website has been used. To evaluate the quality of the recommendations, the output of RCA was evaluated using recall and precision criteria, and the results were compared with previous recommender algorithms. The results showed by RECSA in this article can be performed with higher precision and recall. One of the limitations of RECSA is higher computational complexity than other methods. Because in RECA, content information and citation network are used simultaneously, and this requires more calculation in the process of modeling. While the dataset used in this research provide a valuable foundation for initial testing, we acknowledge the potential benefits of investing RECA's performance on even larger and more diverse dataset. Future work will be involved exploring the scalability of our approach by applying RECSA to significantly larger datasets encompassing a wider range of scientific disciplines. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.